Crowns up, Queen's Court. Welcome back to Making Queen Moves with me, Queen Key. That's QUEENKEE, because that E was so nice, my mama done it twice. So, what moves are we making today, Queen? I don't know. Let's go find out together. Well, it's October 30th, 2025. Hallows Eve. Where I'm from, in New Jersey, they call it Mischief Night. A night of mischief, magic, and new beginnings. And tonight, we start the build of SIRE. This isn't a rental anymore. No more borrowed, no build outs. This time, it's all on me. And I'm taking y'all along with me the whole way. We've got a deadline, and it's a serious one. It's our first big journey together. And this countdown, this is what's going to bond us. Me, you, and SIRE. Welcome back, Queen's Court. What's up? Today is a very special day. Today is October 30th, 2025. So, it's Hallows Eve. So, happy Halloween to all my ghouls and girls and witches out there. I'm coming to you because our new chapter is about to begin. And we are about to build out SIRE. We're about to build him out, turn him into a full camper, and we want to be built out and done by January 1. Why is the date so important? We are attending the WRTR or the RTR. Now you say, Queen, what's that? I will tell you. It is the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. And basically, it's the largest meeting of nomads and Hawa people, Hawa meaning home on wheels. So if you are a nomad and you have a home on wheels, whether it be a car, a van, an RV, whatever your home is on wheels, then we meet once a year in Quartzsite, Arizona. Last year, it was like over 10,000 people. Now, it's not just the meeting of all the people that live on wheels. It's a large, like the largest tent in North America comes, where all the vendors that support the people who live on wheels. It's a huge tent where they have like all these RVs inside there, whatever. And then on that day, it could get up to easily 40, 50,000 people that come through the big tent at any given time. It's like a whole week-long festival for people to meet up. The WRTR is for women only. So the first 3 days is for women only, and the rest is for everybody else. And we get to camp out in the desert in Quartzsite. Now, we have to be completely prepared to go and take the van. So we're going to be self-sufficient and sleep in the desert in our van campers. But there will be some small events along the way, and I will take you guys with me, especially in December, because my best friend is coming. She comes down to Georgia every year with her fiance's family for Christmas. So she and I are going to have extra time to be together, and we are going on a cruise down in Miami to the Caribbean. So I will take you along with that too. You guys will get to meet best friend. We have a couple of little meetups from the other women in our groups that have camper vans. By the time that best friend gets here, I have to head directly to Quartzsite, Arizona, because the RTR starts on January the 5th. So it gives me 4 days to get to Quartzsite, Arizona and get my camp all set up, and we can begin the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous 2026. So, where are we going right now, Queen? We are going now to get some well-needed things done for SIRE prior to the build-out. We're going to get him an oil change. He has had that done, had that done since we came back from Mexico. And because we're going to be having so many different expensive type things inside here, SIRE's alarm from the factory does not work anymore. So we're going to go get a new alarm system put on him today. We're going to probably do a couple of errands, run to a Home Depot or somewhere. But anyway, let's start getting stuff together. And come on, guys, and follow along. A day of us getting prepared to get prepared to prepare SIRE, I think. Anyway, let's go.
hold on one sec for me. Yes,
Hi, yes, I called yesterday about getting a car alarm installed in my car.
Okay, do you have the alarm system with you?
No. No, I thought that you guys provided all of that here.
We do. We tell Steve phone. We doing a two-way alarm, or we want a one-way alarm?
What's the difference?
One way is the one down there with no screen on it. So that means you would have to be near the car to hear it going off. And then the two-way comes with the screen on it. And that means that, like, if you're in the back of Walmart or whatever, the key fob will start making noise letting you know that it's going off.
I don't know. He gave me a quote or something about 3 something or whatever for the install and everything and all like that. I'm pretty sure I called here. Is there another car install?
There's 2 other shops down Cassett.
On Cassett.
Right.
Oh, I might have to call here then.
Yeah, were they scheduled for today?
I left my name and number, but I don't remember him calling me back.
No, yeah.
What's your install cost?
It depends on which one you go with.
If I got the two-way.
If you got the two-way, you'll be $350 installed.
And that's the one that I can turn on and off from the key. And then if it's going off outside, the key lights up or something.
Turning on and off? What do you mean turning on and off? Like the alarm?
Setting the alarm, yeah.
Yes.
And then you said if I'm in the store or whatever and it's going off outside, the key does something?
The key fob will start making noise, let you know somebody's messing with it, so you don't have to be near it to hear it going off. Yes, ma'am.
And you have availability for today?
No, I'll probably have to push that to tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me you have a card? Let me have a card and then we'll see. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hello. I'm trying to figure out if this is the place I called yesterday or not. I didn't know it was like 3 places on Cassett. Yeah. I was down at the other place, Louis. I was like, y'all remember I called yesterday? She was like, no, ma'am, and I don't have no space today. I was like, oh, it must not been you, because I talked to somebody yesterday. So, of course, I hit up the Home Depot for supplies. And Amazon been showing out lately with all these delivery boxes to my house. I've got flooring, foam board, weather stripping, reflectix tools, brackets, the whole 9 yards. And listen, I am not a carpenter, but I am a queen, and a queen, she just learns the game. This isn't just a build. This is a foundation. The beginning of the home I'm creating inside the life that I'm rebuilding. I want you to feel like you're part of the build. Because you are. If you've ever started over, if you've ever rebuilt your life, or chased something new at 40, 50, 60 and beyond, this journey isn't just for me, it's for us. Okay, Court, so here's the game plan. Step 1, strip them down. You don't have to worry about taking out receipts. My brother did that in North Dakota. Don't worry, I watched all the tutorials at YouTube University. And I even meditated before I started. Besides, if I jack it all up, I know y'all got a queen's bag, right? Step 2, the floor. Plywood, waterproof vinyl, something strong enough to hold the build together, strong foundation. Step 3, the bed frame. My throne inside my king. We have to put it together, have it up and functional, so we have somewhere to sleep. Come on, labor. Come on. Go down there to where, to 8. You got push, man. Come on, man. It ain't got no motor on there. Watch it, he ain't got no driver license. That's what happened.
you for shopping at the Home Depot.
This isn't just a build. This is a foundation. The beginning of a home I'm creating inside the life that I'm rebuilding. I want you guys to walk every mile of this journey with me. The mistakes, the victories, the nights I question everything, and the mornings I wake up proud of how far that I've come.
Don't worry, I can't cut you guys out of the video. It's for my YouTube.
Yes, ma'am. Cut the key off for me real quick.
Gotta be careful with my baby. His name is SIRE.
SIRE?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice name.
Well,
Different, but nice.
well, my name is Queen.
Queen, okay, I got you. Okay. Alright. So the key fob making the noise,
Mm-hmm.
then the siren's gonna go off. So you see how that started? I don't want to hit on it too hard.
What is his name?
SIRE.
I know. I feel bad. There it goes. See how the vibration, now it gave to you letting you know. So it gave them a warning, letting them know if they
Stop
keep
touching
messing
my
with
car.
it, it's gonna go off. Right. And then again, gives you the warning, letting you know somebody's messing around with it. And now it's gonna go off.
Okay.
Have any issues? Let us know, okay?
I appreciate
Thank
you.
you. You have
Thank
a
you.
wonderful day.
You too.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, baby. Alright.
The countdown to the RTR begins tonight, and this is only one episode in SIRE's Build series. Every king's gotta have a crown, and we're making queen moves now. Thanks a bunch for watching to the end. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to move in silence, live life unapologetically, and keep between the lines. I'll see you out there.